Governor Gretchen Whitmer signs Taylor Swift anti-bot legislation. Dozens of other bills into law. What to know about the 30-plus bills Whitmer signed. Governor Gretchen Whitmer recently signed dozens of bills into law, including child care safety legislation and the Taylor Swift bills. I'll work with anyone to lower costs for Michiganders, protect consumers, keep kids safe, and cut red tape, said Whitmer. We've made historic investments in school safety, and our tax cuts for working families and seniors are putting more money back in Michiganders' pockets. These common-sense bills will build on the progress we've made, make a difference for Michiganders, and help more individuals, families, and small businesses make it in Michigan. Let's keep getting it done. Here's what to know about each of the bills signed into law on Tuesday, December 23, 2025, according to a release from Whitmer's office. Senate Bill 158/House Bill 4262, Taylor Swift bills. These bills crack down on the use of automated bots that buy large quantities of event tickets and resell them at inflated prices. By prohibiting bot-driven ticket purchases, the legislation aims to give regular consumers a fairer chance to buy tickets at face value for concerts, sporting events, and live shows. The law also authorizes the Attorney General to impose civil penalties of up to $5,000 for a violation. Senate Bills 96, 97, and 98 Child Care Center door locks. This bipartisan package allows licensed child care centers to install temporary locking systems on classroom and facility doors. The bills extend to child care centers the same safety options that K-12 schools have had for several years, helping protect children and staff during shootings or other serious threats. House Bill 4285, Firearm Safety Education. This bill directs state education and natural resource agencies to offer a model elective firearm safety course for students in grades 6 to 12. The course uses fake firearms and prohibits real weapons. In Michigan, hunting isn't just a pastime, it's a tradition, said State Representative Kurt Vanderwall. Protecting this sport across the state starts with training young, aspiring hunters. What better way to educate them than to give them the option to learn it right at their own school? Empowering schools to teach responsible firearm handling in a safe, structured way will give students valuable skills that protect them during hunting season and teach respect for weapons. It's great to have bipartisan support on this. Senate Bill 25, Auto Repair Licensing Reform. This bill modernizes licensing rules for auto repair businesses. It allows shops to register a nearby auxiliary facility under the same license, simplifies inspections and registrations, enables longer renewal periods for large facilities, and improves mechanic certification processes. These updates are intended to reduce costs and delays while supporting both traditional and electric vehicle repairs. Senate Bill 93/House Bill 4122, Cottage Food Operations. This legislation eases regulations for small, home-based food businesses. It raises the sales threshold before a business must obtain a license, aligns honey and maple syrup producers with other cottage food operations, expands where products may be sold, and improves access to guidance and resources. The changes are designed to help small producers grow while maintaining food safety. By raising the annual sales cap for our honey and maple syrup producers, we're helping level the playing field, allowing them to better compete and meet local consumer demand, said State Senator Sam Singh. Most importantly, breaking down this critical barrier enables these producers to grow their business beyond what has so far been possible, something that's not only a benefit to them, but to Michigan's agricultural economy overall. Senate Bill 269, Detroit Metro Airport Improvements. This bill streamlines the state review process for infrastructure projects at Detroit Metropolitan Wayne County Airport. By reducing administrative delays, it allows the airport to more quickly access federal funding for safety upgrades and operational improvements, helping reduce wait times and improve the traveler experience. Senate Bills 685 to 690 and 699, Farmland Preservation Program. This multi-bill package clarifies and strengthens Michigan's Farmland Preservation Program. It ensures farmers with existing agreements can retain tax credits, increases program funding, and improves record-keeping and administration. The reforms address past inconsistencies and protect family farms from unintended penalties while encouraging long-term land conservation. House Bills 4098 and 4099, Electronic Tax Tribunal Hearings. These bills allow Michigan's tax tribunal to conduct hearings and proceedings electronically. The change saves time and travel costs for taxpayers, increases accessibility for those who live far from hearing locations, and reduces administrative expenses for the state. House Bill 4401, Pheasant Hunting License. This bill removes the sunset provision on Michigan's pheasant hunting license requirement. By making the license permanent, it provides long-term certainty for hunters and supports ongoing wildlife and habitat management efforts. House Bill 4493, Food Licensure Exemptions. This legislation exempts certain concession operators working in state-owned buildings or on state property from specific food licensure requirements. Michigan is a state of opportunity, and all Michiganders deserve the chance to pursue their dreams. With this legislation now signed into law, we're replacing red tape with real opportunity by removing unnecessary obstacles that have unfairly held back Michigan's legally blind and visually impaired business owners and entrepreneurs for far too long, said State Senator Sarah Anthony. This legislation will lower costs for so many hard-working, disabled business owners and entrepreneurs statewide, including those who operate the 44 business enterprise program sites right here in Greater Lansing. House Bill 4045, Uniform Public Expression Protection Act. This bill creates a legal process to quickly dismiss meritless lawsuits designed to silence criticism or public participation, often known as SLAPP lawsuits. By allowing courts to dispose of these cases early, the law helps protect free speech, civic engagement, and public debate while reducing unnecessary legal costs. Senate Bill 23, Land Division and Housing Supply. This bill increases the number of parcels that can be split from a single tract of land, from 4 to 10. The change is intended to expand the supply of buildable lots and support the development of more housing across the state. Senate Bill 136, Radiation and Mammography Standards. This legislation updates Michigan's radiation control laws to align with federal mammography standards. It modernizes training requirements, fee structures, and oversight practices, helping ensure consistent quality and safety in breast cancer screening. Senate Bills 512 and 513, Liquor Control Code Updates. These bills modernize Michigan's liquor laws by allowing college-branded alcohol packaging, permitting brewers to sell non-alcoholic beer, and clarifying branding and trademark rules. The updates also support research and product development, while strengthening protections for wholesalers and producers. Senate Bill 595, Michigan, Indiana State Line Commission. This bill allows the Michigan-Indiana State Line Commission to help fund county-level surveying and remonumentation of the Michigan-Indiana border.